Guess who's back, back again? Mila's back. Hey, tell your friends. Y'all, I am back. I am back. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Like, life has been lifing lately. I think the last video I posted on YouTube was what, 2023? It's been 3 years since I've actively posted on my YouTube. And now your girl's back. Like, I am back. Where have I been? I mean, life has just been lifing lately. Like, life has been lifing. I was in a relationship, now I'm not. And just in that process of being in a relationship and still running a business and still trying to content create, it just all became very overwhelming. And I would start and stop and start and stop. And now we are back. So I am excited to rebrand and switch up the content to not only give you coaching content with drills, but also give you guys a sense of who Mila is as a single entrepreneur in her 30s, someone who enjoys content creation. I will be talking about what life is like in your 30s. I think I've learned a lot in my 20s into now, and I just want to share it, see who can relate, see who can learn from it. Like I said, still going to share all things coaching, but just want to give you guys a more in depth into my life and my lifestyle. Some things about the business. The business is going great. Like, I have a cheer team now. I'm super excited going into our 30th cheer. Classes are booming for the first time. My summer is packed. I was a little nervous because since starting and being a service-based business in the summer, and being that my service is a service to kids, a lot of families travel in the summer. So I was a little nervous, but we are back. We are booked. We are busy. And that is the way I like it. And that is how I want to keep it. All right. Yeah, I've just been in the gym. I've just been meal prepping, really finding my routine, trying to establish a routine and a routine that works for me. I've been in therapy twice a month, so just learning how to put myself first, regulate, articulate my emotions, and just speaking up for myself. So I am really excited to give you guys different content that's just me. I am super excited to stay consistent and post daily. And yeah, so if you want to be on this journey with me, come dive back into all things Mila B. Hit that subscribe button, and until my next video.